guys. That was the tuning for Bloodlines, that was the tuning for The Loop, and that was the tuning for Memorabilia. Same tuning with all three of those songs. I just got a couple comments. Some guys were wondering, how do you tune, what's the tuning for that song? And all I did basically was I tuned it by ear. And what I did was I looked up acoustic, Bloodlines, Mimicking Birds. I just searched that through YouTube and came up with a video, and it's the one where they're playing, where the singer's playing. They're all doing like a little live concert, but then the singer's doing a couple interviews as well. So that kind of gives you a perspective or whatever. It kind of gives you the idea of how to tune it. You know, if you listen to it by ear, I do everything by ear. So, anyways, it's this drop B tuning that he's in, and it's not that hard to figure out. It's like a ladder effect. Goes in like a ladder. So let's figure that out. Let me know. Leave a comment if you have any other questions. Drop a like if you like the video. If not, that's alright. But yeah. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. And I'm out.